Okay. Good morning, great students. How are you all? Fine. Now sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Now I gave you assignment on Monday. Just 2 assignments for your new general mathematics, and I believe you've done it. You can roll in your answers and let's compare. Now today we are looking at the correction before we move on to today's topic. Now I gave you find the sum of all the whole numbers between 10 and 20. 10 and 20. So solution. Solution. Odd numbers. Odd numbers between 10 and what? 20. The first odd number is what? Yes. I see 11. Somebody writing 11. I see what? 13 plus what? 15 plus what? 17 plus 19. 17. Now, if you sum this, 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Plus 3 is what? Plus 1 is what? So at the end of the day, if you sum this one correctly, you obtain 75. Now, let's see your answer. Are you all correct? Oh boy, sit up and submit your answer. Good. So, but peradventure, instead of you going through this what? College method, you can use another shortcut, which is called ALITA. ALITA, that's second method. So what you need to do is 19 minus 11 over 2 plus 1. You multiply this against 19 plus 11 over 2. This is second method because peradventure, if I give you, according to what? NTIC standard, find all the odd number from 1 to 100. This method, this college method will not be what? Will not be what? Advisable for you to use. So this method will be better. So if you find this, 19 minus 11 is what? Anybody? You said what? Is what? You said, what's your answer? 19 minus 11 is what? 8. Good. So 8 divided by what? 2 plus 1. So this one gives you 4 plus 1. So this one gives you what? 5. Correct. So 19 plus 11 is what? 30. Correct. So 30 over 2. And this one gives you what? If you slice, it gives you 15. So 15 times 5 is what? So you now have 5 times 15 gives you what? 75. That's the answer. Yes, let's compare answer. Rolling your answers. Let's compare. That's the answer to the assignment given to you. So let's look at another word, the number 2 question. The product of 2 numbers is what? 13. If one of the number is half, find the other. So we are looking at number 13 now from your new general mathematics. Let the first number is equal to what? N. So now you now have n multiplied by what? Half is equal to what? Gives you what? The set is equal to what? 13. And this one is what? N over 2 is equal to what? 13. Then if you cross multiply, you have n is equal to what? 13 times what? 2. 13 times 2 is what? Anybody? What's your answer? What's your answer? Good. Somebody said 26. Bingo. So that settles what? The assignment. So if you obtain this answer, give yourself what? Give yourself 50 points. If you obtain this answer, give yourself what? Another 50 points. All together gives you what? 100. So can you roll your answers? Okay, so we are looking at today's topic is now combining sum and what? Products. Combining sum and product we are looking at today. Now I want to give you what? Now look at the questions. Look at the questions. Now I want you all to try the first one. The first one is what? Find the difference between 63 and the product of 10 and 5. I'm giving you 1 minute to solve that. Yes. Find the difference between 63 and the product of what? 10 and 5. Yes, what's your answer? I'm waiting. Rolling your answers. Yes. Have you seen the question? Good. Yes. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, what's your answer? Yes, what's your answer? Okay, good. I can see some answer rolling in. Indeed, I celebrate you, or those of you that you obtain what? 13. Yes, I'm still waiting for more answers. Okay, good. Somebody got 53. Wow. Wow, 53 is not correct. So we are going to look at it together now. Now we are going to look at it together. So if you look at it, the question is, find the difference between what 63 and the product. So the first thing you find the product. Product is what? 10 times 5. This one you obtain what? 50. I want to find the difference. So this one becomes 63 minus 15. So you obtain what? 13. So that's the answer. Correct. Now, everybody try number 2 question. Try number, somebody got 133. How? Indeed, this is outlier. This is not correct. The answer is 13. The answer is 13. Option C. Now let's look at number 2. Find the sum of the product of 9 and 5 and the product of 10 and 6. Wow, wow, I can see great mathematician at home. Somebody got 15 still? No? Please check. 105. 15 is wrong. So let's do it together. Let's do it together. So let's do it together. So let's do it together. So the sum of the product of 9 and 5. Now, product. The product is what? They gave us the product as what? 9 and 5. That's what? 45. Are you there? And I have to find what? 10 and 6. Now that's what? Another product again. Product again. This for the second product, which is what? 10 and 6. Which is what? 60. And the question is that we should find the sum. Now, sum now. So you sum this. So if you sum this one gives you 5, and this one gives you what? 10. Bingo. Now, those of you that you obtain 105, I celebrate you all. Correct. I can see some students repeating after me. 95. Why? Yeah. Who is this? Lawa, well done. So the answer is what? 105. 105. I celebrate you all. Now let's look at number 3 question. All of you try it. Somebody obtain, no, number 3. Let's try number 3 question. So somebody got 5/12. Wait again. 5/12 again. From Abubakar, 40. Wait again. So I can see some 5/12, but 5/12 is not in the option. How are you getting 5/12? So how are you getting 5/12? Let's do it together. So let's do it together. Now, find the sum of the product of 3/5 and 9 and the product of what? 5 and 3/20. That's number what? Number 4, number 3 question. Now, number 3 question. So let's do it together. The product of 3 and 5/9 is what? This is it. Products. The product is what? 3/5 times what? 3 over 5 times what? 5 over 9. So we can reduce this. So if you reduce this, you obtain what? This one slice is 1. This one is 1. Sorry, this one is 1. So this one is what? 3. So I obtain here 1 over 3. That's for the first product. If you look at the second product, we have 5 over 9. We have 5 over 9 against 5 over 9 against what? Against 3 over what? 3 over 20. Against 3 over 20. Now look at this. You can slice it. This one goes here. You have 4 here. Hello. So this one goes here. This one goes here is what? 3. So the answer of this one is what? 1 over what? Hello. 12. Now we can now find the sum. Therefore, the sum is equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 12. Now the SM is what? What's the SM? Anybody? 12. So 3 goes in 12 is what? 4. Plus 12 goes in what? 12 is 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1. So the final answer is what? Oh, 5 over 12. Bingo. So those of you that you obtained 5 over 12, let me see your answer. Good. Celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself. That's good. That's good of you. That's good of you. So we are looking at the last question. The last question. Yes, I'm waiting. I'm giving you only 1 minute to do that. I'll give you only 1 minute to do that. Yeah, I'm waiting for your answer. Please roll in your answers. Roll in your answers. Roll in your answers. Good. So 54, 54, 54, 54, 54. Wow, wow, wow. You are great. You are great. 54. That's good, Demilade. That's good of you. That's 54. Good. Now let's do it together. Now let's do it together. Now, the question is, find the sum of 29, the product of 2 and 9, and the difference between what? 2 and 9. You need to be very careful here. Anytime a question is given and they are silent, either if it is negative, difference, or positive, just take it to be what? Positive. I'll start from the difference. Difference. So the difference there is what? 9 minus 2. Which is equal to what? 7. Now I move to the second step, the product of 2 and 9. Now, right, product. Product. The product here is what? 2 and 9, which is 2 times 9, which is what? 18. Then the last one is sum of the whole. Sum. Sum. You have what? Let's start from 29 plus 7 plus 18. If you sum this, you obtain what? Yes, 54. Bingo, correct. I celebrate you at home. I really enjoy your words, your solution. Now let me give you a drill. Look at the drill. Find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to what? 100. 1 minute. So that's the drill. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Everybody do this. Do this question. Find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 100. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, all the odd numbers from what? 1 to what? 100. Yes, who is genius in the house? Yes. Wow, somebody obtained 50. Okay, I'm only 50. Find the sum. Find the sum from 1 to what? 100. 50, 50, sum, the sum. I'm not asking you to find the number of odd numbers. The question is find the sum. Look at it, sum. Not the number of what? Odd numbers. Find the sum, sum. Somebody obtained 5,100, 5,100. Others, I'm waiting for your answer. Now, to do this question, you have to be very, very careful. Now, first of all, identify the odd numbers for solution. I'm going to use what? The other method I told you earlier on, because you cannot start adding from the first odd number from 1 to what? 100 means 1 is also inclusive. Plus, the next one will be what? The next one will be what? Anybody? 3. Then 5 plus 9 plus the ellipsis plus what? Then 99. That's the last odd number. But how on earth can you start adding 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 till thy kingdom come? That one will take you time. All you need to do is look at it. This against this, 99 minus 1 over what? 2 plus 1. Open your parentheses. Then 99 plus what? 1 over what? 2. Now I move on. So 99 minus 1 is what? 98. I will take 98 here over 2 plus 1. Close your parentheses against what? 99 plus 1 is what? 100 over what? 2. And this one gives us what? So this one gives us 49 over 2. Sorry, 49 plus what? 1. And this one gives you what? 50. Hello? So if you this one now give us what? 49 plus 1 is what? 50. Times 50. If you multiply this, you get 5 times 5 is what? 25 against what? 0, 0. Bingo. So that's the answer. So that's the answer. But majority of you are really good. Good, 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 good. You are great. Good, 2,500. But I want to twist this question. Find the sum of odd numbers between 1 to 100. Everybody try this question. Find the sum of odd number between 1 to 100. Yes, please solve that. Solve that. Find the sum of odd numbers between 1 to 100. I'm waiting for your answers. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, 2499. I can see 2,500. 2499. Now you have to be careful here. Look at this word. This word between. Between means 1 is not inclusive. The first odd number here is going to be 3, not what? 1. Then plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, plus your ellipsis, plus what? 99. Have you seen the difference? Now, to solve this now, don't forget the joker I gave you the other time. And 99 minus 3 over 2 plus 1. Now take it again. 99 minus 3 over 2. This 2 is always constant, and this plus 1 is always constant. Now against 99 plus what? 3 over 2. Where is this 2 coming from? This 2 is always constant. Can I shoot on? Now, the next thing is, what is 99 minus 3? Anybody? 96 over 2 plus 1. Because 96 plus 3 is what? 99. So 99 minus 3 gives you what? 96. Against, now what is 99 plus 3? Hello? 2. Good. Then 12. Is it correct? No. So this one should be what? 1, 0. Good. Over what? 2. Because 9 plus 3 is 12, carry 1. And 9 plus 1 is what? 10. So here, if you divide this, be careful. 2 goes in, but 96 is what? 4. 8 plus what? 1. Don't forget your parent 10, 6. And this one gives us 50 what? 1. Now, 48 plus 1 is what? 50. Sorry, 48 plus 1 is what? 49. Times what? 51. Now, we now multiply the two together. From here, you have to be very careful. So 49, 51, we are multiplying. 9. Hello. So 1 times 4 is what? 4. 5 times 9 is what? 45. So 45 plus what? Plus 4 is what? 49. I carry 4. 5 times 4 is what? 20. Plus what? 4 is what? 5 times 4 is what? 20. Plus 4 is what? 24. Therefore, the sum is equal to what? 2499. Now, let me go through your good. 2499. You are correct. Who is this? I love you. I love you. You can think you're a great mathematician. Now, keep it up. Now let's look at another teaser. Now, find the sum. Find the sum of even numbers from 1 to what? From 1 to what? Hello? 10. Even number from 1 to 10. Can we all try this? Find the sum of all the even numbers from 1 to 10. Yes, Lawa, I'm waiting for your answer. Find the sum of even numbers from 1 to 10. Are we there? So here, you can do it this way. 2. The first even number is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. If you stop here, you are in a mess. Because it said, find the sum of even number from 1 to 10. So 10 is inclusive. If you use fundamental college method, so 8 plus 2 is 10. This one gives you, here, if you pair this is 10. If you pair this is 10. I have 10 here. So if you add the 3 together, you now have what? 10 plus 10 plus 10 gives you what? 30. So I take it again. This is 10. This is 10, and this is 10. So we find the sum here gives you what? 30. Any question? Any question? Now, but if you want to use the other way, you have to be very careful here. Now, first of all, consider how many numbers do you have there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that gives us what? 10 minus 2, which is what? 8. Divided by 2 is 4. Then plus 1 is 5. Is that not? Now, how do you get the other number? Because here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you add 1 to this, give you 6. So it becomes 5 times 6. What I'm saying in essence is, peradventure, if you don't want to use this college method, all you need to do is, okay, you have 10 minus 2 over, where is the 2 coming from? From here, over 2. This 2 here is different from the 2 here. This 2 is always constant, plus 1. Now, against, because this one gives you what? This one gives you what? 8 over 2 plus 1. And this one gives you 4 plus 1. And this one gives you what? 5. This one is coming from the number of digits you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, coming to what? What are you going to multiply with this? So you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you add this to this, gives you 10 plus what? 2 over 2. And this one gives you 12 over 2. And this one gives you what? Times here. If you slice this one gives you what? Times 6. So this one gives you 6, which is what? 30 again, and together with it. So this is collect method. This is what? The what? Using the what? Approach of shortcuts. Is that okay? At the end of it, you get the same answer. But if the question is twisted this way, find the sum of all even numbers from what? 1 to what? 100. From 1 to 100. I need your response. Yes. Even numbers. Underline. Even numbers. I need your response. Find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to what? 100. Collect method will not work here. Why? Because it will take you time before you get to your what? Final answer. I'm waiting for your response. Kadiku. Yes, I'm waiting for your answers, please. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer, Kadiku. Yes, start rolling your answers. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer, Kadiku. So, hello. Good. I'll start seeing some answers. 2,500, 2,550, 2,500 P, 2,550. And let's do it together. Look at the what? Solution. Look at the solution. Very interesting. Now, they said find the sum of all even number from 1 to 100. The first even number in this word question is what? 2. 4, 6 plus the ellipsis, then plus what? 100. Are you there? Now, let's go by this approach. 100 minus 2 over 2. This 2 is different from this 2. This 2 is always constant, but this 2 is this. Plus what? 1. Now, against 100 plus what? 2 over what? 2. So this one gives you what? 98 over 2 plus what? 1. And this one gives you what? 102 over what? 2. This 2 is different from this 2. This 2 is always constant, and this 2 is for this. So if you simplify this one 2 goes there 1, and 2 goes in 98 is what? 49. Then plus 1. And if you slice this also, this one gives you 51. So 51. And this one gives you what? 49 plus 1 is what? 50 times 51. Now for this, all you need to do is just multiply this 5 by this. You get what? 5. Hello? This is 5. Then 5 times 5 is what? 25. Now all you need to do, if you leave your answer this way, you are wrong. But don't forget what? The power of 10 here. Just copy and paste it here. Bingo. So I can see some geniuses in the house. I celebrate you. But however, it's okay. If I ask to find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 100. Oh yeah, the geniuses in this house, I'm expecting your answer. Yeah, find the sum of this. Find the sum of this. Yes, I'm waiting. You have found the sum of all even numbers between 1 to what? 100. Hello. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting for others also to roll in the answers. I'm waiting. Now, I'm waiting. Sir, I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, I'm waiting. Damilare, well done. So, Kafayat, well done. Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together. So, now to do this, if you want to start listening, underline the word between. So, you have 2, 4, 6, 8, plus your ellipsis. Here, 100 is not inclusive. 100 is not inclusive. So the last one is going to be what? 98. You now carry out your operation. I will now have 98 minus 2 over what? 2 plus 1. Open your parentheses and close it. Against 98 plus what? 2 over 2. So what is 98 minus 2? Yes, 96. Good. 96 over what? 2 plus 1. Now, what is 98 plus 2? 100. So this one, if you slice this one gives you what? 48 plus 1. Against what? If you slice this one gives you what? 50. What is 48 plus 1? 49. Then times 50. Now, 5 times 9 is 45. I carry 4. Now, 5 times 4 is what? 20 plus 4. 24. Now, this 0, just copy and paste it here. Bingo. Yes, let me see your answers. Wow, wow, wow. Indeed. I can. Good, good, good. I celebrate you all at home for getting the right answer. From here, this is where we are going to draw the curtain. And I want to give you what? A short assignment for you to do against our next appointment. Are you ready? Are you ready? So now, please copy down this assignment. Copy down this assignment. Copy down this assignment. Good, that's the assignment. Exercise 2C, page 19, number 12 and 15. Copy down the assignment. Except if you have any question to ask, why copy assignment? I'm waiting. Now I want to say good morning to you all at home and enjoy what? Your short stay at home. Please. Okay. Make sure you what? You do the assignments. Ask them questions. Any question? Okay. Yes, if you have question, please ask. Okay. But okay, for application risk. Okay. Sir, okay, no, let's go back. Somebody said from 4 to let's go back to no textbook, no textbook. Wow, no textbook. What do I do now? What do we do now? If you don't have textbook, what do we do? This say okay, I will send it to you. Yes. Who again ask? Sir, the assignment, no textbook. I don't have my textbook. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Okay, don't worry. So don't worry. Check the video on YouTube. Check the video on YouTube. You see my assignment there live. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yeah. You see the assignment there live. Thank you very much.